LogoClothz, it's Ryan here again. In today's video, Paul's going to be clearing up a mystery that we seem to come across quite frequently, which is about text and fonts and converting those to curves and outlines in your file before you send it to us, so that when that file opens up in our system, we actually see what it is that you designed and our system doesn't substitute it for something. So it's not a long video, it's not a mysterious process, so let's go inside and take a look.
Hey everyone, Paul here from LogoClothz.com. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm quickly going to talk about text and fonts, converting them to outlines or curves. When sending in your print-ready art file for your tablecloth or table runner, you want to make sure that you follow this step so that your design is printed exactly as you built it. Now when I refer to the word text, I'm referring to the actual words typed out on screen here. When I refer to the word font, I'm talking about the actual style in which the text is written in. Here the words are written using two different fonts. A lot of the times when I open an art file, I'll receive a message like this. I'm using Adobe Illustrator, and the message is telling me that I'm missing 4 fonts within the file. By default, Adobe Illustrator is going to substitute these fonts and highlight them in pink. Here you have the original font as it was supposed to look. Here you have the substituted font highlighted in pink. So how do you avoid this? Open your art file and select the text so that it's highlighted. Then go to the top where it says Object and select Expand. By doing this, you're going to convert the text into a shape, so no matter who opens your file, once you save it, it remains exactly the same. Now before I converted the text into a shape, I would be able to make any changes. Let's say I wanted to change the tagline, remove it, or change the spelling of it. I could easily do so before converting the text to an outline. Once you convert the text to an outline, you lose that ability. I can no longer go in and change the actual type. So again, when sending in your print-ready art file, make sure you go ahead and convert the text into an outline or curve. This way there are no unexpected errors, and we print exactly what you send to us. Hope you've learned something. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.